I have no idea. No, I didn't do anything to any of it. I am going to put new tires on that though. I have them all ready. The herringbone style tread.
Herringbone.
Yeah, you'll have traction in this crap and sideways, but it'll still be smooth on pavement. Yeah, that's my favorite for those size tires.
Yeah, there's an older car tire too for snow and things like that. Herringbone style too.
What the hell is this here? What? No farm? I don't know what that is. 5 miles. We're a third of the way. Oh, it does say farm crossing. Yeah, the problem here, if you wanted to stealth camp along this, is a ditch on both sides.
Yeah.
Gravel again. And we'll be on pavement again. Whoa. I can't figure out what's making that noise when I hit bumps. Something's clacking. Don't sound good either. I don't know what it is. Something's going clack in the front when I hit a bump. Up here somewhere. Oh, it's this thing. No, this thing here is a little hard. No, I just get going a little faster. Okay, that should do it. I put the extended handlebar down a little more. Whoa!
Okay. Yeah.
And I don't want to find out if it worked or not. I have a feeling that's the only thing I can see. Oh no, it's still there. What the hell is that?
Oh, that's a bat. That noise?
Is it, what, my fender hitting?
No, your back. Oh, bag. Bouncing. I'm gonna see it when you hit a bump.
Well, when I hit the bump, everything bounces. It sounds like it's coming from up front, though. Oh well, next bump.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah. Connect the dots straight to the start of intoxicating want. Lingering touch, these soft words whispered in the dark. Set my heart on fire.
There's your silo. Yeah, we're in Caledonia. There's a nice little park up here. I think they even have a potty. And there's a restaurant and a Mexican restaurant.
Yeah.
A bar and grill kind of thing, I think. And then yeah, I can see it. And it's not in the sun. How odd. Yeah. Nice little place here. I hear something.
Where? Trail stop. They got Chili Bean ice cream shop. That's an ice cream shop. That's
Okay.
a bank.
Illy Beanie, Chili Beanie, the spirits are about to speak. Whoa, I'm pulling over here. But I'm not getting off.
What?
I said
What
I
town is
pulled.
this? Is this Caledonia?
Caledonia. I think.
Caledonia. Fredonia.
And over there, there's a Mexican restaurant somewhere. I think on the corner is a bar
bicycle
and grill.
repair thing. It's all gone. They stripped the tubes, man.
Oh, the tools are all gone? I was going to ask you if you brought your cable cutter with you. Yeah. You got your cable cutter with you?
Take the whole thing with the hex nut on the bottom.
And then they
stand, a hex
supply a wrench for the...
Yeah. And on top, you can use the hollow point Torx.
The one with the pin?
Yeah. Hollow, so you can use the hollow point. But why take those apart? You take the base much easier.
Take the whole thing?
Yeah, exactly. Throw the whole thing in.
Kind of hard to carry on your bike, though.
Oh, yeah, they throw it in a pickup.
Well, next time we'll bring a trailer with.
High pressure pump. High volume, high pressure.
Whoa.
I pumped that thing up to 120 pounds before on my road bike.
Well, that's why they have them like that.
It was cool.
Although, so what? If you need it, if you 30 pounds is better than no pounds, and it gets you to, get you down the road, man. Get you home. Just watch out for the bumps. My tripod still here. Keeps poking me in the ass. All good? Okay. See this Pacum Parabellum? Whoa! Okay. Yep, tripod's right hitting me in the ass. That's okay. Oh yeah, and it's not in the sun. There's something wrong, man. Yeah, really. That's okay, I got it on video maybe. Say what?
When we go for a walk, this one in the park by where we live, on the block.
Yeah.
I
In Illinois, a bicycle is not considered a vehicle. It's classed as a bicycle. But I'll tell you, the law is buried. Maybe AI could find it. Yeah. Why has it got pedals? It's a bicycle. What's this? Stop and stop and stop. Stop and stop and stop. No ATVs, but motorcycles. We're not? Whoa! No motor vehicles, see? I like the speed limit sign. Do gravel bikers pay attention to that? No.